Hi everybody. Today we're going to answer a question we get here at the Spark Museum all day, every day. And that is, why do we have so many metal bird cages all over the place? And how come we don't have any birds? Let's answer both those questions. We have a ton of bird cages, some big enough to hold colorful light bulbs, and some metal cages big enough not just for a light bulb, but a metal cage big enough for you. But the one similarity you'll notice with all of our bird cages, big or small, is, besides being covered in holes, they're all metal. And that's important. Because this is a museum of electrical invention, and when you're dealing with electricity, one of the first things you learn is what makes it flow and what makes it stop. Metal makes it flow. Just like here on this device. We build up the charge on the plates. The handle's dry wood, glass, those are insulators, safe to touch. Electricity is not attracted to glass or dry wood, plastic. But metal, so much so that the charge jumps. And metal, water, you are all excellent conductors. Electricity loves to flow through us. Careful. Now I know I promised to show you why we have all these metal bird cages. But first, we want to broadcast a little bit of energy. Now, let's give you a demonstration of a bit of electrical phenomena we find infinitely fascinating. But first, we'll start with some glass, an insulator. Plastic, glass, dry wood. Electricity doesn't like to flow through it, not attracted. I'll seal up these tubes in the glass, the insulator. If I poured a bucket of water on those tubes, they would stay dry. Now, I want to cover this other platform in something completely different. And you can't get more completely different than a bird cage. Two reasons. First, it's metal. All metals are conductors. It's full of holes. It's not about a door or a window. Bucket of water is going right through this. Now I'm going to put the bird cage and cover the other tubes. Conductor, full of holes. Insulator, sealed up. Well, what do you know? Kind of counterintuitive, I might say. Notice that the tubes inside the glass insulator, they lit up like the glass wasn't there at all. They didn't attract the charge. They didn't repel the charge. They just didn't exist. But the bird cage, tubes don't light up. Well, what's happening is that electromagnetic field, which is not like the electricity through the wires, this is different, hits that cage, swarms the cage, creates a magnetic field that neutralizes the electromagnetic field, and basically, inside the cage, you're in the one place that charge is not. Go math. All right, everybody, thanks for playing. Till next time. Goodness sake, stay grounded.